Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with Google Maps. So make sure to watch the full video. Everyone on the internet wants to earn money online at home. Here I will give you an idea about how to earn money from Google Maps in 2023. Google Maps may be a web-based service that has detailed information about geographic regions and sites around the world. Additionally to traditional road maps, Google Maps has aerial and satellite views of the many locations. In some cities, Google Maps shows street scenes featuring photographs taken with vehicles. How does Google Maps work? Google Maps is employed by many on each day while traveling as a navigation platform that effectively predicts traffic and plot routes for them. More than 1 billion kilometers operate with Google Maps in an additional than 220 countries. And regions around the world, say the search giant. Google Maps uses machine learning with various location sources to predict traffic, including aggregate location data, historical traffic patterns, local government data, and real-time feedback from users. How can I get a job with Google Maps? You can search and apply for open positions on the Google Maps team on the Google Careers site. Otherwise, you can work on a separate team at Google and move internally to the Maps team. Between teams at Google, transfer is common. The Maps team has many alternative roles, each with a particular skill set. Can I make money with Google Maps? Google's AdWords program allows businesses to position ads on Google's websites. Google earns quite 70% of its revenue from advertisements placed on its website, including Google Maps. How did Google Maps make money? Google could be a popular program that has dominated the internet landscape since its creation in 1998, as this company has become an hour. Day-to-day life, most of the company's popular products are liberal to use end-to-end, head or customer. However, Google, together with its parent company Alphabet, has changed from just an inquiry engine to an organization that provide a variety of products and services, including Google Cloud, Gmail, Google Books, YouTube, and Google Maps. Google Maps particularly may be a popular navigational tool that's as powerful on a mobile device as a desktop computer. Although Google doesn't pay end users a fee to search its website, the corporate make billions of dollars through fees, advertising revenue, and ad-sharing programs. Key takeaways: Google offers many products and services, including Google Cloud, Gmail, Google Books, YouTube, and Google Maps. Google does not charge end users searching on its websites, but the company makes billions of dollars through fees and advertising revenue. Google's AdWords program allows businesses to position ads on Google's websites. Google earns quite 70% of its revenue from advertisements placed on its website, including Google Maps. Understanding how to earn money from Google Maps in 2023. Google earns the majority of its revenue through advertising on various websites of the company. Google's AdWords program allows businesses to advertise on Google's websites, including its search engines, maps, videos, and email platforms. In return, Google charges companies for advertising, while companies get the benefit of brand exposure to the millions of people who use Google products. For example, a quest of a map of Boston on Google.com would offer, among other things, an in-depth map of town through Google Maps. The Maps program allows users to concentrate and intent on search in neighboring areas. To the proper of the search, results screen are several short advertisements for links to Boston-based businesses, hotels, restaurants, and other sites selling hard copy maps of the city. This type of paid advertising is the primary way during which Google earns its revenue. Google also generates revenue from its Google AdSense program. Companies can advertise on their websites, which use Google-owned algorithms based on the user's Google search activity. In other words, AdSense ads are similar to Google's on-site advertising, but instead, they are placed on the company's website. Members of these companies get paid from the advertiser when a visitor clicks on an advertisement on their website. Google is paid a portion of that advertising revenue. Although Google does not report specific figures identifying the financial performance of its Maps product, the financial statements show revenue by segment. Google's income as of September 30, 2019, outlined below according to Alphabet's quarterly earnings report, or 10-K. Revenue from Google assets for the quarter was $28.6 billion in 2019, highlighted in green. AdWords revenue will be included in this figure. Revenue from network members for the quarter was $5.2 billion, which would include the AdSense program. Total revenue from all segments was $40.3 billion in 2019, highlighted in orange. Google assets or websites generate over 70% of the company's $70.3 billion revenue, which includes Google.com, Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail, Finance, and Google Play. We can see from the financial results that Google increased its total segment revenue by more than $6.5 billion the same quarter, $40.3, $33.6 billion in 2018. The majority of that growth was due to higher advertising revenue of approximately $4.6 billion, $28.6, $24 billion from Google assets. Google Maps platform. Google also earns revenue from companies and industries that require navigation tracking and mapping through its Google Maps platform. The Google Maps API geared toward businesses that take advantage of the corresponding version of Maps in their online or mobile applications. For example, ride-sharing companies can connect their app or software applications to Google Maps on their website. Drivers and customers can help track each other's activities, where and once they meet, and help reduce waiting times. Trucking or delivery companies, as an example, can use Google Maps to trace the whereabouts of specific trucks within the fleet. The program helps companies analyze costly trips and improve efficiency. Google charges different price points counting on the amount of usage from the corporate. Google also offers 24-hour technical support and therefore the ability to sell products with their integrated Google Maps, similarly as search and request capability, high-resolution imaging, and ad control. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.